My name is Megan Bublitz. I am originally from Juneau, Wisconsin. I'm currently a student at UW Stout in Menominee, Wisconsin, and I'm studying hotel, restaurant, and tourism management. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Asian spinach cream of mushroom soup. Instead of taking a regular old can of soup, you can jazz it up by adding some spices and stuff, and I'll teach you how to do that today. You can either make it for your roommate or even your significant other. For our ingredients, first we have our can of cream of mushroom soup, 4 ounces of milk, 4 ounces of fresh spinach. Then we have our 1 ounce of our sesame ginger dressing, dried parsley flakes, dried minced onion, and then salt and pepper to add a little flavor. And for our garnishes, we have chives and chow mein noodles. First, we're going to start by taking our can of mushroom soup and putting it on the skillet. We're going to turn the heat to medium-high. Then take your cup of soup and pour it into the saucepan. You may need a rubber scraper to take it out. Make sure you get it all in, you don't want to waste any. Going to stir it up a little bit, get it all heated. Next you want to add your milk. Add the milk slowly and whisk it up so that it's smooth. Try not to splash it all over, try to keep it in the pan. Take the spinach and just add a little bit at a time. Just stir it in. Next you're going to add the sesame dressing. Get that in. Next the dried parsley flakes. Our minced dried onion. And then just add a little dash of salt and pepper. So salt first. And there you have your Asian spinach cream of mushroom soup. Next we're going to want to put it in a bowl and serve it with a garnish. Take it off the stove and we're going to want to put it into a serving dish. Just take some scoops. This should serve about 2 people, so it's perfect for you and your guest. And next, to garnish it, we'll take our chow mein noodles, put a few on top, however you like it, and then take your chives and place them on top. For another garnish to spice it up, you can put fresh mushrooms on top. You can spice it up with some nice portobello or even some shiitake mushrooms. And that's all you need to make your Asian spinach cream of mushroom soup.